Hi everyone, Zach here, and welcome to the prep video for lesson 27 in this series on developing a survival game. In this prep video, which is not really a prep video to be fair, I'll be reminding you of a challenge from a few videos back. That's because in today's tutorial, we'll finally be looking at that particular problem. This video and this series have been brought to you by my Patreon sponsors. If you've not already, hit those like and subscribe buttons below. It really does help this channel out. If you want to take your support a bit further, consider becoming a supporter on Patreon. Patreon supporters get early access to videos and access to project files. Also consider joining our community on Discord, links in the description below. So let's move on to today's lesson. So as a reminder from a couple of prep videos back in lesson 25, we have an issue that's going to come up. And that bug will be in our equipment system, of course, because we're in section 3. And it relates to something that we saw in section 2, though. So our inventory system recreates the inventory slot in the widget every time we open and close our inventory. Our equipment system does not work the same way. So that's going to lead to a bug. And I asked you to consider how you'd address that bug. So today we'll actually see that bug and resolve it. So what I'm going to ask you to do is to try to complete the challenge from video 25. So determine why the bug might come up, why that difference between drawing or recreating the widget and not will be an issue, and how to fix that bug. So before you complete today's lesson, try to see if you can find that answer. All right, thank you for your time. I hope you've enjoyed this reminder of the challenge. This video and this series have been brought to you by my Patreon sponsors like Rian, Quadmenson, 1Volt10, and Hanas. That said, I look forward to seeing you in the tutorial proper and hope that you have a wonderful day.